What is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today we are looking at how we can hack this Apple remote so we can have wireless charging. Here we go. We are looking at this Apple remote so that we can have that wireless charger. As you can see already, I have already installed it on the back. Pretty crappy way to do it, but if you think about it, it's nice and cheap. You might want to get one of these for yourself. Basically what this is it's a wireless receiver for a lightning port. And basically you could do this to any device that you have. As you can see there, that's a lightning port to a wireless charging receiver. So you can see there, real cheap. I'll link that down in the description below, so you might want to take one of those. I think I got this for 10 bucks for two, so not bad at all. As you can see here, what I did was I took one of these and hooked it on to the bottom just like that, so you could see there, right there. And what it does is you can then put this right in the back like that. But the problem that I had with this is the side, that you could see here, is too big. I'll show you right there. It has an overlap like that. So what happens is you won't be able to have it flush on the side like that. So basically all I did was I took a scissor and snipped the side right there. Just be careful when you're doing this that you don't cut the coils around the around here. So basically, as you could see here, you could feel it. The coil is right about there. It's right about there, and then the coil on this side is about there. So you might want to cut it right along here, just enough so that it'll fit your Apple remote. So as soon as you've done that, you can go ahead and buy a skin or do what I did here. I basically used clear tape, taped it on the back of this, or you could buy a skin over, so you can put a skin over this, just like this one. This one's from D brand. I'll link that down in the description below as well. And basically this remote, I believe this is from Slick Wrap, sorry. I'll link that down in the description below as well. And basically this skin is a glow in the dark skin, so that you'll be able to, it'll glow in the dark when it's dark out, and you'll be able to see your Apple remote. I'm glad. It's funny how Apple used a black remote for this, so that you'll be able to see it in the dark when you're watching a movie or something like that. That's why I put this white skin, a glow in the dark skin for this, so that I'll be able to see it better. That's it for today, and I hope this helped you on a little hack here, little hack job that I did here for wireless charging your iPhone. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Peace out.